Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to settings double-click speed mouse. We will enter the control panel from the search box. Here, click on the line mouse. After this, in the section, double-click speed, adjust the speed using the slider bar, apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.